Motion in a straight line. Introduction. Motion is common to everything in the universe. We walk, run, and ride a bicycle. Even when we are sleeping, air moves into and out of our lungs, and blood flows in arteries and veins. We see leaves falling from trees and water flowing down a dam. Automobiles and planes carry people from one place to the other. The earth rotates once every 24 hours and revolves around the sun once in a year. The sun itself is in the motion in the Milky Way, which is again moving within its local groups of galaxies. Motion is change in position of an object with time. How does the position change with time? In this chapter, we shall learn how to describe motion. For this, we develop the concepts of velocity and acceleration. We shall confine ourselves to the study of motion of objects along a straight line, also known as rectilinear motion. For the case of rectilinear motion with uniform acceleration, a set of simple equations can be obtained. Finally, to understand the relative nature of motion, we introduce the concept of relative velocity. In our discussions, we shall treat the objects in motion as point objects. This approximation is valid so far as the size of the object is much smaller than the distance it moves in a reasonable duration of time. In a good number of situations in real life, the size of objects can be neglected and they can be considered as point-like objects without much error. In kinematics, we study ways to describe motion without going into the causes of motion. What causes motion described in this chapter and the next chapter forms the subject matter of chapter 5.